Hi guys, so this video is pretty low. Well, it's because, as you could see by the title, I am doing a squishy experiment. So yeah, this is my first squishy video. I will have some more squishy videos soon. Sorry, okay. And also, like I said in one of my Animal Jam videos, I might be doing some squishy videos. So, this is one of them. And I will have more soon. I don't really know when, but soon. So, my squishy experiment, I'm going to be doing this panda bun that is super squishy. So, there's that one. Then, most people I don't see do homemade ones. So, I'm going to be doing this homemade one that I made. It's a pink cake slice with a purple drizzle, and they're glittery. And so, yeah. And they're actually pretty squishy, and I wanted to just see how those turn out. And then I have this one. It's a polka dot one. I don't like it's hard to see the white polka dots, but they are glittery and 3D-ish. But yeah. This is also super squishy. I've been dropping things lately, and I don't know why. But I'm going to go get some plastic bags and put them in the freezer. For and 20 minutes. They
Okay, so to occupy me for the next 20 minutes, or, this long time for now, I'm going to show you some of the newer things I've gotten. So first I have this equestrian real doll. It's Pinkie Pie and the Rainbow Rocks. And this is all awesome movie, so, yeah. So yeah, and she is very pretty. Sorry, I'm moving the camera a lot. She is very pretty. Her hair did get a little messy while I put it on my shelf, but I really don't mess with her that much, and so, her hair actually stays pretty good. I also got this Madeline shirt on. I don't have one yet, sorry for background noises, I work with this. They might not hear very much. But I have this Madeline hair doll. It's the, I don't remember what set, but she's in the vagina, I'm pretty sure. I don't remember what set that is. But I have Madeline hair right here. She's actually my favorite character out of the group. But I really love Raven Queen, too. I also have Rainbow Rocks Applejack. I don't have her guitar with me right now because, I just don't. But she has two pairs of shoes. She has, of course, the guitar for her stamps and stuff. But I do not want to put stamps in her because I've seen some things and it does not stay very well. Then I also have the, I have the crystal ponies. I forgot. I really want Pinkie Pie. I haven't got her yet. I hopefully can get her soon. I don't know when. But, I have these crystal ponies. I love Luna and Celestia, but I love Luna because she's awesome. Then, I also got this, Luna Funko Pop. No, not Funko Pop. I got this Luna Funko. And she's the normal one. I got her at Hot Topic because that's pretty much the only place you can get her because I'm pretty sure it's a Hot Topic exclusive, but I really don't remember if it's the glittery one that you can get, I forgot. I think the translucent one. Oh, oops. Okay, things are falling. I've been dropping things and things are falling lately, so yeah, but she's super pretty. She's in pretty good condition. She does have a couple of interesting spots on her, but that doesn't make me too mad because I'm not very picky about things. So that's pretty much all I have right now. Let me just see if I have anything else. This is like literally a toy view, but all in one. But anyways, I got also a nice red heart. Not too far way back. I don't know, okay. Here's literally some of the things up here. That's not me. Things that I gotten. Then I have this, Zoom Zoom. Pretty sure that's what it is. Yeah, Zoom Zoom. I'm making sure it's Zoom Zoom. I got Stitch. Super cute. Can't see him. I want Stitch to be there. Okay, there. And then I also got the pop thing. I made it, and I got the set with like, it's kind of like the bakery set, not the house, but the bakery stuff. So I'll put you right over there. And then, I'll have to probably not put this in the view. I don't really know yet, but, I got this, big giant pony. It's Pinkie Pie. She's super big, yeah. So I'll have to put her over here, so okay. So yeah, there's some more things coming up. Let me just get them out. I got, Spitfire. Yeah. He's cool. I'm gonna get a charger out. Like, there's so many clips in this video, I don't really know how many there's gonna be. Right? And I'm doing like a toy review on this one whole thing. I don't know why, probably because I don't wanna, be bored for 20 minutes. I don't really know how bored I would be doing this, so. Then I also got, this, Applejack from, McDonald's not too while back, or not too long ago. It was from the McDonald's set. And then, I have this, blind box from the fashion. I got Apple Moon. Yeah. She's super squishy. Yeah. Now these are all the ponies from, the, one set from, 2014, but, yeah. Yeah, and also, the set that came with this from McDonald's, I also got this. So yeah, I'm sorry that, wait, why just what I was gonna say. But, yeah. This is so many toys, like literally.
Okay, so, yeah, I'll just put everything back where they went, and then it'll probably be time for my squishies to be ready. Well, I have 10 more minutes, or 9 and 47 seconds, whatever. Okay, so I can't speak today. I don't know why. I've been dropping things have been dropping on me, and I can't talk. I don't know why. Okay, but anyways, I will be right back, and all this stuff will disappear, and it'll be magical. So, yeah. You'll be amazed. Magic. It's time to go get my squishies. I will be right back. Okay, literally, right when I got them out of the freezer, they were super cold. The bags were super cold, and they made the most crinkly noise ever. More than, a normal plastic bag. It made more than plastic bags. So we're gonna start with kind of dense. It's cold. It's kind of dense. Oh my gosh, that is so squishy. Guys, that is so squishy. It is dense and it's hard to squish. It's not, the hardest squishy to squish in the world, but it's pretty hard to squish. But it's super squishy. And if I didn't tell you that there's marks on the back, because this detects colors really quickly, or, colors. So that is so squishy. That, guys, that's just awesome. Okay. Now we're going to go to the homemade, which I'm super excited about. I probably should have done the homemade first, but I don't really know how cool these are. Okay, so I'm going to do this one first. Okay, so I'm going to, okay, so I'm going to start with this one first. Those didn't get very squishy. Those didn't get much squishier. I've seen one and they did actually get squishier, but that didn't get very squishy at all. Sorry, my hair keeps on getting in the way. Okay, this one did get a tiny bit more squishier. So I'm trying to show you the lighting so you can see how squishy that is. They are still squishy, of course, but they are not slow rising. Well, not an improvement. I will keep these plastic bags to do more squishy things, squishy experiments with. But this one is still pretty cold and still squishy. This one is just so squishy. You could, it's just awesome. Guys, look at this. It looks funny though. Like, it's more hard in the middle, not necessarily on the sides, but it's totally right here. Like, if you squish right here, you can tell that it did get squishy. And I wish this squishy could not be dense when it did that, but could stay that squishy, because I've seen some before that are that squishy, and yeah, but it's kind of cold. It got a little warmer, or a little, yeah, warmer. Yeah, I really love this squishy. It's because it's super soft, but it's slow rising. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and comment for more squishy videos and more. I'll see you later. Bye!